Alright, the purpose of this video is to show you a command line tool which will help you to paste the failed build log to one of the online Pastebin services. Okay, so it basically take the build log file and provide you a URL to where it paste or send the content of the build log to a online Pastebin service. Okay, the software name is Wgetpaste. Essentially it means it is using Wget and it will be pasting in one of the online pasting services. To give you some sort of demonstration, let me go to my terminal and I'm going to use, because I know it's failing, I know, and why it is failing. I'm just giving you a demonstration how it should be done. So if I do, just give me a little bit of moment. It will try to build and it will fail. Then I'll show you how Wgetpaste as a tool to help you to paste the failed build log to one of the online services available. While it is building behind the scene, let me give you some sort of peek into that particular. I have opened now it doesn't have a man page. Wgetpaste is the command, so it failed, you see. I'll show you the help then. Okay, and exit. So as you can see, right bottom of the terminal, so there is a build log file which I'm going to share with the people. Okay, so all I did, cat var temp portage net news and then newsbot, then temp, slash build log, and now then I Wgetpaste -i means I'm sitting on Gentoo, so it will provide you the image info appended with the build log for people to understand what kind of machine I'm sitting on, and it will help people to understand what I'm trying to build. Okay, and double hyphen means whatever coming out of that particular build log file should provide as a, essentially this command will return a URL. Okay, here you go. So this is the URL. Okay, now if I go ahead and open this URL, see, by default it is having a different paste service available to Wgetpaste binary. So by default it pastes to Bpaste. Bpaste is like Pastebin service, which is online portal where the pasting is available. So you see my build log is getting pasted over there. So if I share this URL with the people whom I'm asking help about it, so they will get a clear understanding what the build process was doing and why it is getting failed. Plus, if I scroll down, you see I'm sitting on Gentoo, so it provides the information, the kind of machine I'm sitting on, what are the tools I'm having, everything. So people who are willing to help you, they will get a clear understanding what sort of machine you are sitting on and what you are trying to build. So they get there is a little heads up. There is a limit to the log file. this log file is smaller comparatively. So if your build log file is huge, then either you have to grep out instead of cat from the build log to send the paste to a particular portion of the build log file to a Pastebin like this, or you have to tail -n and then the number of lines if you want to send. So the point is that there is a limit. If the build log file is huge, it simply won't accept. There is a moderate amount available, so either you have to grep out or tailing it out. Okay, but I use, as you see on the left hand side terminal, I use cat because this is a small build file, so entirely it gets pasted on this service. Now this service wgetpaste -S is one of the flags. So you can see there are various services available with this binary. So you see the asterisk right next to Wgetpaste. That's the default pasting service where you are seeing the build log on the right hand side terminal or window. It is on Wgetpaste. You could easily change the pasting service by providing a small s flag. If you write wgetpaste -small s, okay, wgetpaste -small s, and you need to provide the name. You see on the left hand side, that is Codepad, dpaste, gist, wherever you want to paste your log. You can change the service pointer. Okay, so that is very flexible. And if I write wgetpaste and then help, you see there are various flags. You can change the logs and all this stuff, right? And you can give a description to your build log while sending by -d, which I haven't done. You could easily done so people can look at the description and understand what you are sending to them. -small s, as I mentioned, it will be provided to change the service. Okay, capital S, as I shown to you, it will enlist you the service attached with it. You can turn the tiny URL also. Okay, you can use other command with the build log sending by -c. -small I send you the emerge info appended, like the one on the right hand side. It is appended the machine I am sitting on with the emerge info. Okay, so people understand what kind of machine I am sitting on and all what tools I am having. So it will help them to understand why it is failing, and they provide you the proper resolution. This is a good way to ask people to help you out. So if you provide the relevant information to the people you are asking help, they will get encouraged. Okay, this tool is damn good, and I have been using it for ages because it is available for a long time. As I mentioned once, the variant of these tools are available on other Linux distribution, probably in a different name. Okay, but that tool does the same thing what it is doing. Okay, the name of the binary is wgetpaste, which help to send your failed build log to an online pasting service for other to consume. So I don't think all the flags are required, but the flags are there. You could use it if you want to. This is a very, very handy tool. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who are seeking help of online. As I mentioned, this tool is available on other Linux distribution, probably in a different name. Okay, you should search through your code package repository to get these things. This is a very handy tool. That's why I'm making this video, just to make you aware that you could use things from the command line and provide the information to the people you are asking help. Okay, finally, I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.